What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Justin Brownlee drops 32. Gilas erases a 21-point deficit. And for me, I don't know. Concern ba rin ba tayo dapat sa nangyari dito sa Gilas na they were down by that much ng first half? Or nagpapainit lang ba? Anyway, Nico here with Mario and Graham. Ganda ng laban ng Gilas up against Macau. Gave us a scare for sure, especially ng first half. 12 of 17 for Macau from 3. We were super late sa closeouts and everything sa defense. But then the second half, we came alive. I remember that Gilas 5, New, Scotty, KQ, Carl, JB, and then nung pinasok na si AJ Edu, sa second half, that's where everything started, no? Sa second half, we're in,
Wala
we
si
cut
Scotty
down the
doon.
lead. Sorry, I was looking at the fourth quarter.
Scotty.
Third quarter was New, Dwight, CJ Perez, Brownlee, and
CJ.
Edu. There you go,
Yeah.
CJ Perez, you were great today.
Yeah.
Para sa'yo yan,
Kaya
CJ.
pala, kaya pala wala siyang kwenta sa finals. Kasi he's saving it for Gilas. Kayo naman, masyado natin siyang
Mhm.
binabash. Yun pala, nationalist lang pala siya.
Gusto niya, si-save up niya for against Macau. Ako na
Man,
bahala
he's
sa
just
Macau.
saving it. He's saving it lang
Yeah.
pala. We were saying na, oh man, dude, he sucks. No, he doesn't suck. Sinasave lang niya para paglaro na mismo, ang galing niya. Kaya, mali tayo, mali tayo. And, by the way, Nico,
Not
may,
yet played with
may,
us.
may kulang sa intro mo.
Ano?
You said, ano, diba? Gilas wins by, Gilas comes back from 21, Justin Brownlee scores 32
32.
points.
Oo.
Gremnel Esber names his son JB Esber. Um,
Yeah. I'm telling you, brother.
Tinawagan niya
If
asawa niya, JB na.
are you watching this right
are you
now? Now, do you
yeah,
understand now?
she does. She does. She does, in all honesty.
That's how it happened. That's how the conversation happened. Anyway, yeah, dude. Should we be nervous?
Yeah,
Here's
what
the
do you
thing.
think about heading into FIBA Asia Cup na ganito yung
Here's the
nangyari
thing, man.
against Macau?
The Macau players kasi, in
Mm.
all honesty, they're not as good as the people we're about to face. That's the reality.
Mhm.
And the fact we were down 21 in the first half after some questionable players were
Players
playing.
being played,
Yeah.
mga plays for a certain team na naka-red.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
It's no surprise to me, honestly, that um Gilas won this game at all in first place. But it was a surprise to me that they were down 21. In no
Okay.
world was I expecting them to be down 21. But end of the day, man, they won the game, and this was major props to the third quarter lineup of the people you mentioned.
Yeah,
Uh,
Dwight, New, Perez, Brownlee, and Edu.
yeah, especially Edu, man.
Grabe
Uh,
si
I
AJ.
love it. I love it. It makes me so sad that we've never seen both Kai and AJ healthy at the same time. Yan
Yung
yung mga
World Cup you
big.
can argue, pero Kai had a back injury nung
Kai
time na
was
yun. So
not healthy
hindi,
at that time.
yeah,
What
yung back
wasn't
And
injury nga
wasn't
niya.
AJ nandun sa Latvia game? Wasn't he there or no?
no, did
Was
he tear
AJ
his
Was
ACL?
he?
there?
He tore his
I
ACL.
forgot. I'm gonna look it up, but
We
go
have to,
ahead,
Let me check.
brother.
Let me
please
check.
look it up.
Latvia versus Philippines.
Tignan mo kung may AJ Edu. May Kai,
Um,
sure. I know there
May
was a
Kai,
Kai.
yeah,
yeah.
Kai was there.
Kai.
Kai was there for
Pakicheck na
sure.
lang boys, hindi ko na binuksan yung FIBA stats ko eh.
Yeah, no, I was just the reason I only asked is parang I think I had game stats. Okay, where is
Oh,
No,
it?
no, he wasn't there. He wasn't there. He didn't
He
play.
wasn't there. Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, there.
Okay.
So doon pa lang di na siya naglalaro, man.
Yeah, you're right. Wala nga
It
si
also
AJ.
helps no
Well,
na
it's
this is a healthy Dwight Ramos. Dwight has had numerous minor injuries, diba? His ankle, his knee. But this, in a long while, to see Dwight Ramos like this will really help us out sa FIBA Asia Cup for sure.
Yeah, and not just Dwight, man. A lot of them are finally healthy. Not one finally healthy, but at least the Hinebra players look um healthier. Scotty looked pretty good naman today.
Okay, bumawi siya sa second half. Nakabawi siya sa second
Yeah. Even
half.
after the bad first half, medyo okay
Mm-mm.
naman yung nilaro niya nung second. Um, and then, but yeah, I'm surprised. I don't know where Zave and Renz are, by the way. I don't know if they're not in the Philippines right now
They're here.
or
They're
they're
here.
here.
They're
Are
here.
they in the lineup? Were they there kanina?
Wala si Reds
So,
and RJ was the one that got the jersey and Troy na okay, so mukhang ito yung dalawa na pinasok.
hey man, didn't we
Get
say
an
that?
Wait,
episode,
is this
tama
the
nga.
final lineup? Is this the final lineup or no?
Hope not.
Hindi, walang Calvin and JMF kanina. So I
Yeah,
think
I
that's
mean,
why Lucero and RJ were
roster-wise.
there. 'Di ba?
Ah,
Yun
okay,
yun.
got it. That makes sense.
Mm.
That makes sense. I
No,
was
but
afraid ito na
okay,
yun.
that makes sense naman. So yeah, dude, it is kind of worrying sa tingin ko na we were down 21 to this Macau team. I'm not saying Macau is a bad team, dude. Look naman at their roster. They had like what, 8 different players who aren't probably from Macau.
They look like
Uh,
yeah. Americans.
yeah, they aren't from Macau.
William
So
Douglas, Archibald Amori Anthony. My first time
there's a guy
seeing
named
these names,
Phoenix, right?
but they
There's
are
a guy named
shooters.
Phoenix.
Bro,
Yeah.
QMB is not from Macau.
Si Phoenix Shackelford. Cool name, by
He's
the
not even
way.
from the Philippines.
Pwede ba i-contest ng Lasal? Yung championship
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
UAAP?
Hey man, pwede pa yung mga taga Macau. Anyway, yeah. So like,
Yeah, anyway,
Brother,
oo.
brother, I I'm not being, I'm not trying to stir any something bad, but I'm only seeing 4 Chinese names here. What are we
It's
doing?
okay. I mean, Graham, it's a good challenge for us. For me, okay lang na kung
Yeah,
malaban
I
tayo
know.
ng ganito. 'Di ba? Na let's just get used to
Yeah.
playing players like this. Okay
hey,
lang
but
for
to be
me.
fair, the one Chinese guy was good. The shooter.
Si Jenny, 'di ba yun? Jenning Leong. And they were saying sa
Yeah.
broadcast na
Isn't he
Pilipino pa nga daw
Filipino?
eh.
Isn't he
What?
Filipino?
Especially yung first half, 'di ba? Narinig mo si Doc J.
Yeah.
He's Filipino. Oh, I think we should consider him.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.
Sabi ko, grabe namang shaded sa mga players natin. Parang
Hey
si
man, he
Jenning
wasn't
Leong na
wrong.
lang daw.
With
Yeah,
the way
actually, especially
with the way
shooting.
we were playing in the
First
first
half.
half. Yeah.
Sama, Grim. Sama talaga ng first half.
Yeah, I know. But
Yeah.
it doesn't help that the whole Macau team was Game 7 Glenn Kubuntin, di ba? In the first
Yeah,
half,
they
like
were in the
12 of
first half.
17 from 3-point area. It's hard to keep up with the team who got 12 3-pointers in one half, especially in international play where it's only
Yeah.
10 minutes per quarter, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's not
So
wrong.
it's
It's
very reasonable
Yeah.
that it's very reasonable that they were up by what 16 at the half, 40 17 63-46, diba? And
Yeah.
in return we only shot was it 6, or we only made 6 3-pointers, so they doubled our 3-pointers. So that's the difference in the second half when they weren't hitting their shots and we were hitting ours, especially Justin Brownlee, then nag-level up na, diba? And
Especially who?
that's Justin Brownlee, man.
Justin Brownlee.
Speaking of, brother,
Yes, go.
I have
Ayan na.
to do this. I have to do this for JB, man. Like, hey,
This is
man,
Burger
you're
King
the
right
king,
here.
brother. You're
I
the
love
king. I
this
have
guy.
to buy a metal crown sometime. This was
Yeah.
supposed to be for the Hinebra Championship this conference, but
Ako po.
it never happened. But hey, he deserves it, man. Just
Isn't it for the Hinebra Championship next conference though?
Well, that's true. But
All
for
Filipino?
this game alone, bro, this is the king. Like, I remember when Kyle Kuzma crowned LeBron after the Clippers game.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
He deserves it, man. Justin Brownlee. I told you this. There's no guy in the history of Philippine basketball who's better at making go-ahead shots than Justin Brownlee.
That's
It
true
doesn't
though.
I
matter
agree.
what the
Minsan natin
That's
situation
true
is.
though.
I have
Yeah.
heard it multiple times, diba, from Sev Sarmenta, from Magu Marjon, and some other commentators. Brownlee for the lead. And then
Yes,
you know what
connects,
happens,
no?
diba?
Connects. Alam mo,
Bang,
he's built for the
or,
moment.
listen to the crowd. Yeah, he's just so clutch, man. And there was a point when I thought na parang talamang ba tayo kasi didikit sa isa, didikit sa dalawa, babalik sa 4-5, and then when we took the lead, we never looked back. And it was great by Coach Tim to tawag dito, not insert the guys that he wanted to insert for sure. That third quarter lineup really did wonders. Ang bilis nila burahin yung lamang, ano? Yung
Bilis
17.
nga.
Sobrang
Bilis
bilis
nga.
talaga na burahin yung lamang.
Yeah, it's because I think we
Defense
forgot
natin,
to mention,
CJ.
brother, we
CJ's
forgot to
defense
mention
and
one
Edu.
guy.
Sino pa
We
ba?
forgot to
Oo,
mention
diba?
one guy, man, who in the first half, if he didn't pop off, we'd be down
Oh,
40.
we
Kevin
will.
Kiambao, guys. Hey.
We're gonna talk about
Hey.
KQ now. Okay.
Hey guys. He is ano. Before I was a very big Carl over KQ guy. And
Even
maybe,
before this game, heading to this game,
yeah,
I
even
think you
heading
have
to this
Carl
game, I was
over
like,
KQ before this
Yeah.
game started.
Yeah, I
I,
very
I have
much
a
had
question
Carl
about
over
that. Go
KQ.
ahead, Mario.
But dude, after his ano today ha, after his stint in the States, number one,
Yeah, that
and
helped.
number two, he looks bulky, man. I don't know if ako lang yung
He-
nakapansin.
lumapad siya,
Yeah,
Mario.
bro, he
Lumapad.
looks big, and I love it for him, man. Before kasi the problem with K was that he could possibly be pushed around, but now that he's
Di na eh, no?
a chunky little man, um,
Wala na yung taba, Mario. He's
yeah,
cut.
brother,
Cut na si
he's
KQ.
he's built right now, and I love it, cause his jumper, holy shit, dude, this guy doesn't
Matik no
miss.
sa
Yeah,
3. Ang
Yeah,
pure eh. Wow.
basta wide,
yeah.
bro.
Super pure,
So,
super
Kevin
pure. Guys,
Kiambao,
I have a
14.5
question.
rebounds, 2 assists, 5 for 7 from the field. Great game. Mario,
I have a
Graham, yes, your
question.
question.
So KQ and Carl is a toss-up in reality.
Yeah. It was.
Prior
It
to
was.
this game, prior
Still
to
is.
this
It still
game,
is, if you ask me.
ganun pa rin.
So
It tips the scales eh. Nagtitip. Depende
okay,
kung ano nangyayari sa laro eh.
did no this is not to provoke anything. I'm just really curious. Bakit parang walang rumor si Carl going to the NBA like KQ?
Carl,
Wait, he's...
so here's the thing.
Okay.
I get to shout out an old episode. I love this. So in an old episode Nico and I did with KQ, guys. Ay, wait lang,
Yeah,
sorry.
that was a popular episode. So much
Yeah.
vloggers got so much shit
Yeah.
from that.
Yeah. So in an old episode Nico and I did with KQ, he said that it was during his SGA stint where some of his teammates at the time, sila Dwight, Boogie, Dre, were like, "Oh dude, you should try playing in the NBA. You look fairly good for this."
These
Carl
are
has
his
never
words.
played.
These
Yeah,
are
these
his
from
words.
KQ to.
Oh.
Carl has never played for SGA. Okay?
Okay.
To my knowledge. Di ba, Nico? Never
No,
naman.
he didn't. He didn't play for SJ.
Carl's never played for SGA. So, maybe there hasn't been anybody yet who has told Carl na, oh man, kaya mo sa NBA. Because, ayun nga, I'm not saying that he can't, and I'm not saying that KQ can, but this is just based on like, it kind of matters who tells you what, right? If
Yeah.
So Dwight Howard, Roberts,
yeah,
and Blotch tell you can play.
Yeah, if
Diba?
Junmar Fajardo tells me I'm a good center, I will believe him. If Japet Aguilar tells me I'm a good center, I might
I
not
might
believe
not.
him. I might not believe him. And
Oh.
yeah, you know what I mean? Like there are levels to this. So many people will say na mas magaling si KQ. There are people who will say mas magaling si Carl. It really depends on what you like. But for today, KQ was miles better.
Tama.
That's true. That's true. It makes sense. I just wanted to understand. But what you said really makes sense. Na it matters who tells you that. So now I understand. But
Yeah, if
hindi
there
kasi
are
ganun
people who want-
kalayo yung difference eh, di ba?
Yeah, if there are people who want to check out that episode, scroll down somewhere there.
No, just type Kevin Kiambao 6-Man podcast.
Yeah, it's gonna be somewhere there, man.
Minsan lang kami mag-flex ha, pero sa amin lang pupunta yan. Sa
Yeah,
amin lang
yeah,
pupunta yan.
yeah. He was like, "Hey, yo, guys." Hey, yo,
Yeah,
mga
I showed
kuya."
Mario the screenshots. I go, Mario, you gotta believe me. Check out these
Yeah.
screenshots.
He was like, "Hey, yo, mga kuya, gusto niyo ba mag-episode?" And we were like, "Sige na nga, Carl."
Hindi na Carl, not
Kevin,
KQ,
sige na nga, KQ.
We love KQ. That guy's a
No.
friend of the pod for sure. Hindi
Yeah.
pa nabutan ni Graham yun, no, ng time na yun. Sayang.
He wasn't there.
No.
But dude, yeah, so KQ, I love the development he had in the States. I love that he's bulkier now. And this is maybe finally, hopefully, the time that we finally see KQ in the Gilas rotation. Diba? Hindi naman siya ginagamit eh, sa totoo lang. He's kind of just there, even if he is the UAAP MVP. He's kind of just there vibing on the bench with Mason Amos, who isn't here also. So yeah, that's a major part of this comeback, of how they were able to even stay in this game, was KQ.
Yeah, man. Like, ano rin kay KQ, I believe he deserves more FIBA minutes. This is, I think, this FIBA Asia Cup, we're going to see KQ play more than 17 minutes a game. From before, kasi parang Coach Tim was hesitant to play him more than 10. But now, he's comfortable putting him there, knowing na he's composed na, no? Mario,
Yeah.
unlike yung past games, sa FIBA, parang nagmamadali. He's
Yeah.
trying to prove himself immediately. Pero,
He's less flashy. He's less flashy, dude.
he's less flashy na. He's just
He just wants to play the game. I think,
fundamentals na lang si
Yeah.
KQ. eh.
brother, I think in his time when he was training for the NBA G League, he was able to parang learn na, brother, nobody cares about your flash. They care if you can ball. And hey, man,
Mm.
KQ has once again proven he can ball, and it's not very hard to see. But I want to talk about some of the deficiencies that we saw for Gilas
Yeah,
also.
yeah. Meron talaga.
Man, our defensive closeouts sa three are
It's
bad.
bad. Horrible. It's horrible first
Are
half.
bad. And man, against the international teams of the world, yes, probably this can work against teams like the United Arab
Or
Emirates,
Hong Kong. Or Hong
yeah, or
Kong.
Hong Kong. But against the New Zealands,
It's
uh,
automatic. Automatic yan.
against Lebanon, brother,
Wael.
leave,
Maglalaro ba si
yeah,
Wael?
yeah, man. Wael Arakji,
Arakji.
kung libre yan, patay kayo, man.
Si Clarkson nga,
Against,
pinapanis ni Arakji.
hey, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Totoo no,
Clark,
we lost to Lebanon.
hey,
When you
man,
had
they
I
can.
wanna
Clarkson.
I wanna
That
go there. I
Oh.
wanna go there.
I'm
Oh,
not
wait, go
gonna
Mario,
go there,
Mario. Go
man.
finish your point, sorry.
My thing, I want to go to that point because we're talking about already.
Ah, yeah, sorry.
Yes, we won the game. Yes, we lost the game, but YLR actually did not outplay Jordan Clarkson in that game. That's what I'm saying on that, man. Like
Sabi ko, pinanis niya lang naman. Pinanis niya.
YL Arakji has a lot of better ballers on that team than Jordan Clarkson had on his team, man.
Nung time na yun, nung Gilas time na yun, 2 years
Yung
ago.
Gilas time na yun, in that
Different
specific
coach
year.
also nung time na yun. So, different plays and stuff.
Yeah. To be fair, that fits Coach Chot's system more than.
Yeah, JC is more coach shot nga. Tama naman.
Yeah, dude. If
But not sila
they,
Kai, but not the others, di
oh
ba?
yeah, not the others, but dude,
Yeah,
like JB fits the coach team system, and that's my way.
perfectly. Yeah.
That's my way of bringing Graham back into this, so he can talk about Justin Brownlee more.
No,
No,
anyway, back to your point
but
about the concerns of Gilas in closeouts at Tres.
Yeah, dude, we just don't close out. We don't close out well at all, no? Or period. We don't close out,
we
period.
did in the we did in the
Second
second half.
half, yeah, nakabawi naman
We
sa
did a
second half.
better
Pero
job.
yung
We did
first
a
Second
half
half,
better
yeah.
job.
might bite us in the ass kung mga actual countries na. It's
Exactly.
We're not coming back. We're not coming
Exactly.
back from down 20 plus.
You're not coming,
International.
brother, in an
Hirap.
international game, unless your name is LeBron James, Steph Curry, and Kevin Durant, you're
all
not coming.
combined.
Yeah, you're not coming back from a game down 21 or
Yeah.
20,
I agree.
right? And okay, I understand that we have the names, we have our type of names, the Junmar Fajardo, yeah, but we don't got the Steph, we don't got KD, we don't got all that, the names I said. So this isn't just it's not just simple na, oh dude, they won 21, why are you guys complaining? It's not that. Alam mo yun, it could have been a lot worse. Imagine if you lost this game, man.
O kahit by one lang no Mario, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
If we just
doesn't
lost this game in
matter.
general, sama tingnan.
Alam mo,
Yeah.
hindi na lang yun eh. If this was played outside of the Philippines, I think we would not have come back.
Well,
Down 20 plus.
hindi naman
Are
siguro.
you talking about the
Yeah.
fans or the refs?
The fans.
Just making sure.
There's a different
home court
vibe
factor.
when if this is played not even in Macau, like let's just say in a neutral
A
land,
neutral.
like,
Saudi.
you know,
Ay, di Saudi,
Saudi,
Pilipinas
or-
ka ano yun eh. Dahil
wag
Pilipinas sa
yung
Saudi.
wag yung ganon, yung mga Uzbekistan,
Ano ba?
mga ganon, di ba?
Ah,
If
so
this was played in Uzbekistan. Then we would not
This
have come
man
back.
pulling out countries from his ass.
Yeah.
Uzbekistan. All right.
I'm just saying na the crowd really played the factor na they never let our team down even if they were down 20 plus andun pa rin sila.
Oo.
So
Yeah.
it's really difficult to win this kind of game. You don't play with fire if you're the Philippine national
You do
team.
not.
So you have there are a lot of things to fix. We know we don't have Junmar, which is
That's a big number.
Calvin,
That's
yeah.
big.
and Calvin, diba, who's a rotation guy. But hey, I can live without Calvin if KQ will play. We'll always play
Actually,
like that.
Do you think we would have seen this KQ if Calvin was there? You think?
Probably.
Probably not.
Probably.
Probably not for you, Grems.
I
For
think probably.
Mario, same pa rin. Will you
Yeah,
guys have
kasi
KQ over
Cal-
Calvin at this point? We're gonna play
Yes.
more minutes. KQ or Calvin?
Who's gonna play more minutes?
Who do you think? No. Just keep it na sa atin lang. So,
Yeah, no,
seeing
I
what you
think
saw right now.
Based on Coach Tim, and to be fair, we've been quite right about Coach Tim because we saw the two people.
Feel ko mas lalaro niya si KQ, especially knowing
We
na Calvin
probably
has
play KQ more. Yeah.
yeah.
Calvin is
Injured.
Number one, he's injured.
Played
And number
horrible
two,
nung finals.
he needs to rest. and Kevin Kiambao, everybody knows naman. Si KQ, wala namang ano yan eh. Wala namang gas. Yung gas tank ni KQ, lagi naka-full tank yun eh.
100%. After this game, 99 na lang.
After this game, may panalay siya.
Tapos magbubuhat pa sa
Nagbubuhat pa
sa
siya.
activate.
Oo. Oo, tapos bukas ng umaga, may tune-up siya with DRSU, ganun.
At si Malupiton.
Madaya yan si KQ eh. Yung, alam mo yung
Grabe
dinadayang
conditioning yan.
odometer pag binebenta yung second hand na kotse. Nilalagay sa 0-0. Parang ganun si
Oo.
KQ after every game, nare-reset eh. The way he, this guy just has so much energy, di ba? When it comes to, how old is KQ? 24?
5?
Five?
No. Should be 25.
Yeah.
Evan Kiambao, age. Kiambao. He's 24. He's young. He's 24. Di ba may years pa nga sa Lasal yan dapat, Mario, di ba?
Yeah.
This should be his
1 or 2.
1 or 2. Yeah. This should be his.
1 or 2
He's at the peak of his,
Not even. Not
actually,
even at the
no,
peak.
he's just entering his peak, di ba? Si KQ, so
He's getting
Anyway.
comfortable playing at the 3. At the 3 spot to Mario. KQ.
that's where he
Tama.
should be.
Tama.
That's where he should be anyway.
Oh, look at this
So,
guitarist here.
look
Look at this
at
guy.
this,
Look at this guy. Look at Bon Jovi over here.
Look at John Lennon over here, man.
Oh, sige. Graham, go ahead. Anything
Wait.
more?
No,
Sorry, go ahead.
Mario.
I mean,
Go,
okay.
go.
Dude, actually, I was gonna loop Grim into this anyway. Let's talk about it, guys. I'm
Sino
ready.
ba?
Let's talk about it. Somebody played 10 minutes and 49 seconds, and somebody played 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
So, 10 minutes? Where we look?
Someone
Okay,
played
10.
for 10 minutes and 49 seconds. The other one,
Okay,
only-
nakita ko na.
the other one played for 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
Oh my.
And
Okay,
one,
I saw.
and another one, because I don't want to be the dick in this situation. Another
can
one
be.
played 10 minutes and 13 seconds. So I'll
10
bring,
minutes in.
I'll bring Carly into this. But man,
Oh.
this is what we're saying though, right? let's be so for real right now. Are
Go. Sige, ikaw
Jamie
muna.
Malonzo and Japet Aguilar Gilas worthy?
So, una ko na kayo. I feel like Japet Aguilar was forced to play here by Coach Tim. Please, Japs, please. Feel ko ganun lang yun. Nandun na tayo sa point na yun. Because if you ask Japet Aguilar, ayoko na, boss. For sure, siya sabi, baka unahan niya tayo dun. So, I'm gonna give him the pass. Yung kay Jamie Malonzo talaga yung, if ma-prove na agad na local na si Save, tanggalin na yan. Hindi na kailangan ng Jamie Malonzo sa Gilas. Pero si Japet
What
was
about
bad
Renz?
kanina. You saw that,
Dude, he had a
I would
bad
put
stretch
Ren.
kanina.
Yeah, di ba yung our group chat should
Yeah,
not
but-
see the light of day. Hindi natin pwede. Wag tayo
Wait, I forgot
mag-tap.
one more.
We should
I
stay
forgot
friend.
one more.
Si Carl naman, 0 for 6 ni Carl was, I think, just through the motion.
No, let's talk about the guy who played for 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Jamie? Wait, sorry. 5. Oh, RJ.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
Mario,
let's talk about it.
start it off.
Let's talk about it. Hey, man. There are 3 people here. Jamie, Japet, RJ. Okay? Everybody knows, preface ko na, everybody knows Graham and I are Ginebra fans. So, you'd think we'd be quite biased towards these 3 guys to be in the Gilas lineup. I'll say it right now. I think you can only have maybe 1 to 2 of these guys in your lineup. You cannot have all 3 right now. Kasi, brother, we are not removing the claims that the Gilas team is the Ginebra Gin Kings. If we have these 4 dudes and Justin Brownlee, by the way. So 5
Also a Gin King.
players. 5 players come from Barangay Ginebra. I don't think many people would be. I understand why people are annoyed when they say,
Actually,
na,
6 pa nga eh. If you include Troy, 6 guys.
Nga pala, 6 Troy.
If you
And
include
then-
Troy.
Yeah, and then it doesn't help that number 7, Chris Newsom's on his way. Diba? Right? So like, that's how it is right now.
You're pushing
I'm-
that agenda.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna push the agenda right now that, man, I love RJ. Maybe not as much as Graham, but I love him naman to a certain extent. But I don't think he can play in the international stage in Coach Tim's system. That's how
For
I'll say it.
now? For now
Kasi-
or ever?
For now.
For now. Okay, for now. Because
Or-
I want him to be included there so he can learn the ropes para matuto na siya mga ganito. So, I would still keep him in the lineup. Di ko alam, medyo unpopular opinion siguro of keeping RJ in the lineup. Pero ako,
My
ikaw go.
point solely is because I just don't like that half of the team comes from Ginebra. I know these are
I
Coach
don't like
Tim's
that also.
boys.
Yeah. Couldn't
I
say.
know these are Coach Tim's boys. So, why are we surprised, di ba? He'll really pick alam niyo yung sistema niya.
Gets naman rin
But,
natin yun. Gets naman
yeah,
natin yun.
but man, you know what I mean?
Brother,
Ako rin eh,
brother,
kung kaya
alam
mo
mo,
turuan si na KQ, kaya mo turuan si na Carl, kaya mo turuan si na Dwight, gawin mo na rin dun sa eventually napapalit siguro dun sa mga Jin players mo. Di
it
ba?
Yeah.
takes time kasi to learn Coach Tim system.
Yes, that
Diba?
is
But this
very
is a
true.
program na till 2028, di ba? Yun naman yung road. It's the road to 2028, not the road to 2025. Di ba? May 3 years naman for new players to learn. So yun yung point
Yeah.
ko rin. Pero, di ba, it's not that easy. We're not the coaching staff. Sabi ko lang na
Yeah.
maybe explore going outside. Maybe keep 3 Jin players. Di ba?
Okay, let's
JB,
keep which three? Which three? Come on, pick. Let's pick. We're doing it right now.
I'll pick muna. JB, well, till 22. Sige, JB na muna.
Hmm.
JB, Scotty, RJ. Ako.
Hmm.
Grim. Ikaw muna
Graham.
Mario, then Grim.
Let's
You
Graham
can
muna.
go
Di
last.
pa, di pa
Grim muna.
nakapili.
Sige.
Di pa
Mm.
nakapili.
Okay. Well, first of all, before I pick, man, if nababaliw na kayo in just one game with RJ, Jamie, and Japet, imagine kami ni Mario buong season
Yeah.
namin sila pinanonood and sinusuportahan. Like, just imagine the stress that these guys sometimes cause. Diba?
Mm.
So,
Who's your
I'm
3?
saying this with an open mind at with busilak ng puso. Dalawa lang, men. Dalawa lang. Scotty and JB lang. Scotty and JB.
So, you are passing on the third. You are passing na Coach
Oh.
Tim. Dalawa na lang.
Oh, yeah, dalawa lang. Dalawa lang. We have, listen, brother. A lot of teams have players that can adapt to his system more than RJ, di ba? More than Japet, more than Troy, more than Jamie. Their days are done. Especially si Japet. RJ's days probably coming, but I need to see him improve defensively more than anything else. So that's all I'm saying. Dalawa lang tayo. We only have Scotty and JB, who I trust right now to be in the national team, because those guys are not liabilities on defense. And
Yeah.
I
I
think
just
Mario will agree
I
with
heard
that.
like the first part of what Graham said, where he said, if you guys are baliw now watching them, imagine us. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. This is not to say, again, people will say na hater. I don't understand what me and Graham are at this point for you guys. Hater ba kami? Lover ba kami? Di
I'm
ko
a TNT hater. I'm a
Yeah,
TNT hater, di ba?
or a
That's
prophet.
what the people
Or a
know.
prophet.
Brother,
The
alam
false
niyo ba?
prophet. I'll buy the
The-
shirt.
the-
I'll buy the
the
shirt
false
in support of Graham.
Alam niyo ba, guys? There are still moments pag pumipikit ako at late at night na naalala ko, 3-on-1 fast break, game 7 against SMB. RJ Barrientos went behind his back and turned the ball over. I still have memories of that.
Magkasama
So,
ba tayo nun, Graham? I think we won.
no.
Ay,
Ay, game
I was with
7.
my-
Game
I was
7,
with
wala
my-
wala online.
I was with my cousin, okay? And that guy's a diehard Nebra fan. So, sabi niya, pucha si RJ kasi tricks ng tricks eh. At this point, yung naalala ko pa rin yung moment. And, that's all I'm saying.
You said
RJ's
behind the
time will
back
come.
pass. You said behind the back pass, and I just remembered what Jamie Malonzo did kanina.
Diba? Oh yeah. Mario, please share. Second quarter. I remember the
Second quarter, it was like I think we were
Gilas down 20,
down
41-61.
21, and Jamie Malonzo checks into the game. On
Ah.
his left side, he has Japit Aguilar. On his right side, he has Justin Brownlee. Then Jamie Malonzo goes, "Hey man, it's time."
Watch
goes
me.
goes behind the back to Japit Aguilar. and guess what Japit does, man? He throws it off the backboard. Doesn't hit the ring.
Dr. J was like, whoa,
Yeah.
he didn't dunk that?
Welcome to the life of a Hinebra fan.
Me and Graham are so diehard that we choose not to leave this team. But there are possibly so many moments. Kung tipong yung mapapasabi ka ng, men.
Nasa maling fandom ata tayo.
Also, I'm just gonna say it. What time is it right now? 10:14. Sorry.
10:14.
Whatever the minute time is of the video right now. From this point forward, I'm only gonna speak in Filipino. Ayun.
Wag!
Para lang alam niyo, mga kaibigan, kung ano ang nangyayari pag nag full Filipino ako. Yan yung
Wala,
gagawin.
nag-English ka na. Nag-English ka full.
It didn't even last, man. Bro, last thing, man.
Didn't
I
even
wanna
last
push this
10 seconds.
agenda.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well,
Go.
I wanna push this agenda, man. Justin Brownlee, don't even consider Jordan Clarkson ever again in a Gilas jersey when Brownlee's available. Just don't. Just
Ooh. Well, as long as Coach
Yeah.
Tim's the coach, I don't think we're gonna see JC. Maybe we might see both, right? But JC never na feel ko.
But
Yeah,
man, look,
do you see?
sorry.
Do you
Man,
see how much she just loves playing for the Philippines? Like,
yeah, pero ilang taon na ba si JB, bro?
It's 37. Wait, sorry. Justin Brownlee, age. 37!
Hmm.
I can tell. I can tell.
3 years from now, Graham, feel ko, yun nga, yun yung debate, diba? Are you still
Brother, a
riding for the same
40-year-old
guy?
import
in the Olympics?
in the Olympics.
Woo!
Brother, I'm telling you this. Pag si 3 years from now, if Justin Brownlee is still capable of being the Hinebra import, then he's still capable of playing sa Gilas Pilipinas.
Tingnan natin, Graham, that's in 3 years.
Wait, who said he should have been the Hinebra import at that point? Man, aren't we replacing Justin Brownlee with George King?
The agenda.
Isn't that our current agenda, Graham?
Huwag mo daw i-share sa labas. Unahan kayo ng...
Di pa nila alam yun, di pa nila alam yun.
Di pa nalalam yun.
Di na pa alam yung sinay naming kontrata.
That's inside info, brother.
Wala.
Inside info. Wait,
Di pa
Gilas,
nila alam.
sorry, naging Ginebra podcast.
Dude, yeah,
Gilas.
for this whole Gilas thing, number one, I wanna add this. It pains me na hindi Filipino si QMB. It hurts my soul. Cause kanina, my God, he looked so good, man. I swear. I don't
QMB
know
was
how
really good. Super. Ano ba stats niyo? Can we check the stats? I
This
sent
guy's
it.
amazing.
he only had 6 points. But dude, yung ginagawa niya, 7 rebounds, 2
21
steals,
minutes.
1 block. You don't need QMB to score. You need him to be a big.
Sa
Diba?
loob. Yeah, exactly.
Imagine yung front line mo of I was about to say Japet. Of Kai,
AJ,
AJ,
AJ.
and Q.
QMP.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My God. Ang sarap nun.
Kaya
Ang
ka pala
sarap.
naked kanina. Kaya ka pala hubad kanina.
Yeah, before this podcast, guys, by the way, kaya medyo late kami nag-record kasi ano, for those younger viewers out there, you may wanna skip this part. Joke lang. But like, dude, again, this is what I'm saying, man. Q, I wish he were Filipino. I truly wish Q were Filipino. But because he's not, I
Wala.
haven't even given you my yung gilas kong yung Hinebra kong gilas. I would
Hinebra mong
honestly
gilas?
say just JB and Scotty. I wouldn't even make,
Same as Grim. He said
yeah.
JB and Scotty lang.
I would agree with Nico dun kay RJ if he's
He
there
needs
to
to.
learn their game. Not if you're using RJ as a main source of income tuloy. As a main source of
Source of income. Naging ano ah.
yeah.
Naging
Naging-
bugaw.
Yeah. If you use
I know.
RJ as your main source of offense right now in the international stage,
Yeah.
baka hindi pa kaya. Kasi in coach team system, men, walang ISO scorer na pwede. And
Wala.
at end of the day, that's what RJ Barrientos is good at. He's good at with the ball in his hands, shooting the ball, maybe passing once in a while. But like, that's why in a coach tab system, mas fit si RJ. Kasi in a coach tab system, point guards are allowed to shoot the ball as much as they want. Diba? We see it with Jared Bahay. We see it with not Kiefer, sorry. We saw it with Tyler Tio. We saw it with RJ. We saw it in RJ when they
Who
played.
Coach Tim loves, by the way. Coach Tim loves Tyler Tio.
Oh, di padala nyo na yan. Anyway.
Pero Coach Tyler Tio ata, Canadian passport, di ata abot. Anyway, yeah, that's a different topic.
Yeah, so ayun, that's the RJ has to learn first yung international way of playing. Kasi maliit na nga siya eh. Even if he's
5'10".
taller, we're the same height pala.
Yeah, you same height. Same height kayo.
Maliit na nga siya for basketball in general. So he has to learn how to improve on other aspects. Yun. Yung Japet, I understand na siguro he's just being forced to play
Yeah,
at this.
feel ko he's forced not this
Yeah,
point.
I'm very certain that's true.
He's,
Kasi I
he
think
Iron
should be
Monter,
done at this point. He should be done at this point.
yeah, I
playing
think
for
Kinausap
the
lang
I
yun,
think
national
kinausap lang
team.
yun.
yeah, Coach Tim pulled the coach shot and he was like, Kelly, please, pero instead of Kelly, it's Japet. Yeah, like Japet, please, I need you to win championships. Ganun. And then
I'm
si
genuinely
Jamie,
confused about this, brother. If I don't know
Picture
if
ko lang.
may issue lang na, walang pahiraman, but why not? Well, he's injured din pala. I was about to say Poy Eram instead of Japet.
His ACL, torn ACL.
Yeah, no, I know.
Hindi ko
He's injured
napapalaro
in
yun.
that one.
Brad, okay ka na.
saying, if y'all didn't force him to play TNT, man, kind of
No,
sucks.
I was just saying, man, at this point, I'd rather have Poy Eram than Japet in the national team. But he's injured, so yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
I'm none of the above on both. Look at let's look at the UAAP talent that you have right now.
Mike Phillips, sana local.
If Mike is a local, you choose Mike over Poi, Japet, and all that. You choose Mike. I'm trying to think of the other bigs in the UAAP now.
Wala na siya masyado, Mario. There's not enough na talaga.
Wala na.
If Kevin Santos was 6'9",
if
Kevin Santos.
this is a major if, by the way, if
Oh,
Kimani Ladi is considered a local, I would have no problem seeing Kimani Ladi in a Gilas jersey,
feel ko
man.
hindi, Mario. Feel ko hindi.
Di
Or
siya
Dom
local?
Escobar. No,
Or Dom is America. I don't know.
yun nga eh. So di
I'm
ko
not
alam. But
saying
si
he rules
Kimani
the
Ladi.
UAAP.
I think we
Yeah,
need to
I don't know
ask.
the
I can
rules
ask.
of
I
it.
can ask naman.
Hey man,
Tara natin si
if
Jurgen.
Kimani,
Jurgen.
if Kimani's a local, dude, I would love to watch Kimani Ladi in a Gilas jersey,
Gilas.
man.
Yeah.
May
Or you
isang
know,
big yung UP eh. Kaso nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan
what?
niya eh.
UP? Na ano?
Yeah, na
Hey, how
local.
about we
Ano,
give Francis Lopez a chance again?
Yeah, bring back, well,
Yeah.
he can't
He's
really
a
play
local.
center.
He's a
Yeah,
local.
he can't
They
play
can put him as
center.
a wing. At
I'm talking about players who, well, Kimani can't
as a
play
center.
center.
Oh yeah. Kimani can play center. He's a wing.
Yeah,
Wala masyado
Kimani.
tayong centers talagang si ano lang talaga. Si Mike Phillips na yung closest.
Or let's take a look back at Justin Baltazar. Why
Yeah,
aren't we
why not
looking?
him?
Yeah, why aren't
Di
we
ko
looking
alam.
at Justin? I
Di
don't
ba
know.
may parang
Ayun nga,
issue nga
like
siya
what
with
Graham
Coach
said,
Tim. Di ko
I'm not
sure kung ano
sure.
yung meron
Yeah.
niya.
We're not sure if may hinaman issue again. Pero, dude, both of them are absolutely fine
Brother,
options.
how about this? Sorry, I can't. Di ko mapigil tumawa. When you said, Mario, in one of our episodes, BGR is twice the player this player is.
Pero is BGR considered a
grabe,
local?
nagwala si Nico. No. I'm about to go to another player, sabi
okay,
ni
okay.
Mario. BGR is twice the player blank is, sabi ni Nico. What? How about Brandon Ramirez?
Oy, may agenda naman tayo lahat dito. Lahat tayo may agenda dito. Lahat tayo
All I
may
know is
agenda.
Nico's agendas are just insane to me. That's all I
Walang
know.
tatalo sa Zayn Mahmood agenda
Hey
mo.
man. Hey man, let's put
Oh.
Zayn Mahmood in the Gilas lineup, guys.
Oh, waving the white flag this early.
Dude, I
You don't want to
swear,
qualify
man.
for the Olympics. Screw the Olympics.
I remember that girl. I was like, yo, dude, BGR is twice as good as Brandon. Nico's like, twice? And I was like, yeah, bro, maybe 4 times niya eh. Do you want me to add more numbers?
Oh, anyway,
Brother,
close
one
up
last
on
thing.
Gilas. Close up on Gilas, boys.
One last thing. Yeah, I can go. Brother, the amount of talent that we're missing in the PBA
Oh, yeah.
is just so much. I hope they realize that. AJ, KQ, Carl, di ba? Si Dwight, and
Kay
we have
Soto
some
even.
other players.
Kaya Soto
To be fair.
yun.
Kai, di ba? SJ is
Thirdy,
not a part of the
Kiefer.
team. And brothers, and I don't know how to say this, but if the PBA fixes their bull crap, man, these players are going home. These players are going home. And I just hope they realize that now we're missing a lot. Like Dwight genuinely can bring thousands of fans in the stadium. Dwight alone. Kai alone, di ba? So just imagine the amount of talent that we're missing in the Philippines. So we probably don't have to look so far when it comes to fixing the PBA. I know this is a Gila spot, but I just want to reiterate that if these players come home, people are gonna watch.
Dude, Dwight Ramos in a rain or shine, Hinebra, Terra Firma.
Diba, no?
Yeah.
Dwight Ramos
Okay,
and Magnolia will be
let's
nice.
play a game right now. Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah,
What do you
go.
mean?
Say
What do
go
you
lang,
mean
Mario.
game?
Wait lang. Wait
He
lang.
just forgot what he's
Um,
about to say, man.
Forgot his
no, no, no.
topic.
Where, yeah, I remember now.
Mm.
Let's play a game. All of these players declare for the draft. Dwight Ramos, Kevin Kiambao,
Oh, we're ending it this way?
Carl
Sige.
Tamayo, AJ Edu, and Kai Soto. All five of them declare for
Sabay-sabay,
the
sabihin
draft.
natin. Hypothetical, okay.
Yeah, all five of them declare for the draft. And let's say they're at their current age. Current
Mga
age.
ngayon, right now. And
Right
injury?
now.
And injury status?
What they
Sige,
have as
parang
well.
Oh.
Current injury status. Current injury status. Who goes number one?
Sino muna mag-vote muna? Ikaw muna, Graham?
So, wait. Carl, Dwight,
Yung mga
Carl
nasa,
Dwight,
ano ngayon?
AJ,
AQ.
and Carl Dwight, AJ, Kai.
But there's AJ. Ang laki-laki niya eh.
Who did I forget?
He's
Carl Dwight, AJ,
KQ. You may forgot
KQ.
KQ,
KQ.
KQ, or KQ.
AJ. AJ
You think
goes
you're going
first.
AJ?
AJ
Oo.
ka? Ako mag-Dwight Ramos ako.
Especially if Terra Firma is having the first pick and they're gonna ship it somewhere, then it's gonna be AJ for sure.
Brothers, I'm more surprised the answer to you guys wasn't Kai.
Did you say Kai? Di siyempre
Yes.
si Kai. Di siyempre si
Huh?
Kai.
You said AJ.
Hindi ko naman...
Nakalimutan lang
akala ko
daw
wala si
niya.
Kai.
Nakalimutan lang daw
Of
niya.
course it's Kai.
That's why
Siyempre si Kai.
I was like AJ, Dwight.
Guys, there isn't a player in the world na mas ginugulat ang mundo more than Kai Soto. So, I'm
Doon pa rin
telling
tayo.
you,
That's our
Kai
narrative
goes
here.
first.
That's our
Kai
agenda.
goes first.
Hey, for those watching in the comment section, feel free to comment who you'd pick first. But yeah, that's basically all I had to say about this. Okay, wait, one more.
Yes.
This
Same
guy-
list, but add QMB. Who goes first?
Kai.
Kai pa rin. I
Yeah.
still think
Kung
it's
ganun
Kai.
kaya na rin pa rin, yeah.
Hindi, dyan ka na sa Dwight Ramos mo.
Hindi, kung ganun. Hindi, mag-Dwight ako. Pero kung Kai or QMB, Kai.
Yeah, okay.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kung Kai or QMB. Pero Dwight pa rin ako.
Yeah, feel free to comment, guys, who you would take first dun sa list na yun. Kasi this is exactly
Sky.
feeding into Graham's point that there's so much talent abroad. Even SJ Belangel's abroad
Yeah,
right now.
SJ, di ba?
Yeah, SJ
Renz is
abroad.
not playing in the PBA.
Yeah. And so many people are abroad right now. So, or 30s even abroad right now. So
Mhm.
many talents are out there. But just to like summarize everything we said, Gilas did win this game. Really good performances by KQ, AJ, JB, and
CJ.
TJ,
CJ also.
and Nunu, and
Dwight. Did you mention
yeah,
Dwight?
and
Dwight.
Dwight
Yeah.
as well. And moving forward, I know it stings if you're Hinebra fans like me and Graham, pero I think we have to realize din na even if they fit in no coach team system, that doesn't mean that they should get the spot. Diba? That
Agree.
doesn't mean that at
Agree.
all. Right?
It's like a
Obviously-
nepotism hire at this point.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like Bronny James. But Bronny James is good at basketball.
Oh, we're going with that. Okay.
He is good at basketball. He's better than Dalton.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just saying. Yeah, that's basically it.
Yeah. Well, let's see how Gilas performs, guys, sa FIBA Asia Cup. We're gonna have episodes leading up to that. I think our first game is August 6. So most likely, first day of August, mga August 1, 2, magpe-preview na kami. Share the lineup with you guys. We'll do our lineup preview, most likely against New Zealand and maybe Iraq. We'll try to see kung ano. Kasi...
Chinese Taipei, di ba?
And Chinese Taipei, yeah, we're gonna do that as well. And as always, let us know what you think about this game. Ano sa tingin nyo yung what impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here, Mario and Graham, this is 6 Man Podcast. See you all next time.
Adios, amigos.